Hi everyone, so let us discuss about geometry. Geometry is about all the scales and shapes we use in our daily lives. So let us learn what is geometry today. This given figure shows us the diameter, radius and chord. The point is in the middle which is called as O, which means the center of a circle. This is only measured for a circle. So, and we write it as this, like this, the upper line and the two dots. So, this is called a line segment. A line is a continuous line which never comes to an ending point and does not has an ending point. This is called a line. But the line segment is that we measure it from here to here and here to here. So the line segment has the measuring point of like 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, or 12 centimeters. So this is about geometry. The the line segment between the point of O to A is called the radius. The radius means this line is called as the radius. O to A is called the radius because it is only half of the diameter. The half of the diameter is called the radius and its plural form is called radii. And we write it like O to A, OA, and at the upper layer we should write the line segment. After this we have diameter. The diameter, the line segment between B to C is called the diameter. It measures as the longest line in the circle. So B to C causes diameter from the center to B to and from the center to C. This is called diameter. O and this D to E is called the chord. The chord is a line segment which starts from the corner of the circle. The longest chord of the entire circle is the diameter because it causes every line segment to move and form the longest line which is called the diameter in this circle. So, can we measure from diameter to radius? Can we make diameter to radius? Let's discuss about that. Diameter, think of an example like diameter equals 8 centimeters. So, this formula is that radius, to find the radius, we need to use this formula. Diameter by 2 causes radius. So, what's the diameter? Diameter is equals to 8 centimeters and radius is by 2. So, what should we do? 8 by 2. 8's half is by 2. So, we can write 4 centimeters. 8 divided by 2 is 4. The same diameter is equals to 12 centimeters. Example, radius equals diameter by 2. Radius equals 12 by 2 equals to 6 centimeters. Radius to diameter is formed when radius, think of an example like radius equal 20 centimeters and diameter formula is that 2 into r, 2 into radius. So the diameter becomes 2 into 20, which is the radius. 20 centimeters is the radius. 2 into 20 equals 40 centimeters. So the diameter of the diameter is called 40 centimeters. The second example is 10 centimeters and the diameter is the formula is 2 into radius. Diameter equals 2 into 10 because radius is now here 10 centimeters. Now the diameter is equals to 20 centimeters. Now let us learn about mirror images. Mirror images are images that we look in front of our mirror. For example, if your shirt has any of the spellings, when you look at the mirror, you will find that it can form in different like reverse shape. So these are called mirror images. They are the part of geometry. Mirror images. This is the first example, which is like K, and this is a reverse K, and this is 3. This is the opposite 3. A looks and some of the letters looks the same as they do not reflect to the mirror so much, like A equals A only because it does not turn reverse or side. It just remains the same in some types of issues. So the fourth one can be 9, which is written as P in the mirror images. Now let us learn about symmetry. Symmetry is a line that we can measure in the shapes and everything we use in our day-to-day lives. Like, for example, A. A has one line of symmetry. See, the line of symmetry is drawn in dot dot because we have to measure measure the symmetry in between the shape, letters, or numbers. So this causes to make the object or shape or size or number into a half. See, this A divides into a half when I draw the symmetrical line. Example for another one is like P. See, the P does not have any of the line segment. Even if we measure like this is not a half and this is not a half. So, some letters, numbers, shapes, or sizes that we use in our day to day lives cannot be measured in symmetries sometimes, and these are called asymmetries. Even letters like Z, Y, G are also measured in asymmetry. Asymmetry is not a part of symmetry. It's just like it's not does not have a symmetrical line or a divider which causes the symmetry to make them into half half. So not have symmetry is called the uh, asymmetry. So we have learnt about symmetry, radius to diameter, how to make radius into diameter, diameter to radius, what is geometry, and the line segments between the surfaces. Thank you.